Walking the path with the Holy Spirit, days of blood, sweat and tears flow. Overcoming any difficulties, embracing God's will in our hearts. Emerging from the darkness, seeking the light, the voices of people longing for salvation. The power that moves history, shown by the returning Jesus. The day of liberation is drawing near, the light of hope shines down. With God we walk together, building a new future. In this world full of wounds, bringing love and peace, believing in miracles. As we walk the path led by the reigning Jesus. Peace, believing in miracles as we walk the path, led by the returning Jesus. Wipe away your tears and lift your face.